clip-ins in their hair. Not me.
Hey y'all, so this video is in collaboration with BetterLength. BetterLength specializes in making textured clip-ins for Black women, but they also offer other extension products. The clip-ins that I received are 3A, 3B, and as you can see, they came packaged in a cute little bag, which is perfect for preserving the quality of your clip-ins. And it also came with extra clip-ins, needle and thread, and a pamphlet on how to care for your clip-ins. So that was helpful. So I went ahead and washed I didn't wash it, I rinsed it. So yeah, I did rinse the hair just to wet it so it can match my natural hair, because I washed my natural hair. So it's kind of dry. I mean, it's mostly dry, but it's still a little bit damp. I'm going to dampen it some more. So the clip-ins came with only 10 wefts, and I say only in a good way. I can't believe it took only 10 wefts to achieve this look. But yeah, it comes with 5 different sizes and 2 of each of those. So as y'all can see, I'm just detangling with water. I took the first clip-in, put it on top, and then took some hair down and put the next clip-in on. And then I'm just gonna detangle those together with some leave-in conditioner and some Nairobi wrap-in mousse. And then I'm gonna braid them up together. And I do suggest that you avoid putting too much product near your roots, just so the clip-ins can have something to grip onto.
Tried to drink it away. I tried to put one in the air. I tried to dance it away. I tried to change it with my hair. I read my credit card below. Thought a new dress would make it better.
So I'm just repeating the same process. Take some hair down, put a clip in, take some more hair down, put the next clip in, and then detangle with your leave-in conditioner and wrap-in mousse. And then just keep moving up with the different sizes of the wefts. Yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all watch. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all. So as you move to the longer wefts, try to section your hair into 3 different braids so you can have one in the middle. So like you don't have that awkward separation between your hair once you take them out. Y'all know what I mean. So here I'm just showing y'all that I got to the longest wefts, which has 5 clips on it, and I cut it to make it 3 and 2, if that makes sense. So I put the one with 2 clips on the side of my head, and I also put the 2 clips on the next side, and then I saved the 3 clips for the next section. So here's when my camera cut off and I had to turn it back on. I didn't realize that I was out of focus, so I'm sorry about that. But I just took the weft with 3 clips and put it on half of my head, and I did the same thing to the other side. So I'm in the home stretch, y'all. I got to the top of my head and I can't admit that I was scared because I only had the 2 smallest clips left. And I thought it wasn't gonna work, but it actually ended up working out. So yeah, I just put the 2 smallest clips at the top and I braided those up. And for the top, I did do 5 sections when I did the braids. Y'all can see right here.
I can run, I can race for hours and hours and don't stop. I can float, I can fly to the highest mountain top. I can breathe you, I can drink in your laugh. I can live on your smile. I can trip and I can fall into your arms. I can stay in the heart. I can be there with you, for you. I can feel, I can see, I can time.
So we are all braided up, and I'm just gonna show y'all the back right here. And I did bantu knots, but that didn't work out, so ignore it.
All right, hey y'all. So today's the next day, obviously. I hope these turned out right because after I did it last night, I thought about it like, that might make these bantu knots might make the curls look, I mean, it didn't do nothing at all. So that was pointless. I just wanted a little bit more volume to it, but I guess I have to try other methods. But I'm sure it's still gonna come out cute. That's my best friend. She a real bad drama. Okay. She trying to eat now. Have y'all listened to that song by Saweetie and Doja Cat? And have y'all seen Sorority's video? They have a song called BFF. They dropped it like 3 or 4 months ago, I think. And as y'all know, Saweetie's song just came out. And I think that she was definitely inspired by them. And it's nothing wrong with that. But they gonna sit there and call her out. I just feel like people just be going about things the wrong way. Like, they didn't have to at her and put their pictures, their videos side by side, showing that she copied them. I mean, the only similarities, I can say that like Sorority's, their beat sounds like, I mean, Saweetie's beat sounds like Sorority's beat sped up to me. I think that like they have the same type of vibe. And then of course the name of the song is the same. Well, it's not the same, but Best Friend, BFF, same thing. And then the other similarity is that they both had car scenes. I mean, I like both songs. Well, I mean, I'm not gonna listen to the songs on a regular, but they were cool little bops or whatever. I like both. However, I did like Saweetie's video more. It was just more looks, more creative direction. I don't know. But when they called her out, Saweetie said, she commented on a picture and was like, oh my God, I'm so sorry. She was like something like, oh my God, we'll definitely add y'all in the creds, my idols. I said, this girl is stupid, being sarcastic, but yeah, it's just ways to go about things, and they didn't have to like post that because people was gonna see it anyways. Like, I think it's, when stuff like that happens, I would rather, you know, other people point it out and you know, get attention to it than for me to go and say, oh, you copied me, blah 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 blah. Like, it kind of makes you look bad in a way. So yeah, they should have just went about that differently. However, I do think that Saweetie was inspired by them. Okay, I'm nervous to take these down. Don't know why. And it's still wet, y'all. I meant to sit under the dryer, but I'm actually just gonna let it air dry throughout the day. I must say that I love these clip-ins. I'm definitely gonna be using them all the time. It's just such a easy way to do your hair. I did follow this girl's tutorial. I forget her name. I think it's Rachel. Yeah, I followed her tutorial on how to blend this, but I tried to do it a little bit differently, as y'all can see with the bantu knots, but that didn't work out. I thought it was gonna be like more of a spiral curl, and then I was gonna have like the texture from the braid out as well, but this looks fine. They done messed up sending me these clip-ins. Y'all know this is about to be my hairstyle. I'm so happy. Like, I feel like everything is aligning for me. Like I told y'all, I wanted to stop putting heat on my hair, and I also wanted to start doing more collaborations. So I don't know, God just be looking out. This is gonna open up so many more opportunities for me. I'm gonna come back and show y'all how it dries like at the end of the day, because I'm about to go out with my sister and take some pictures. I should vlog that. Because all my videos have been sit down videos. Like the past 4 videos, I think 3 or 4 videos have been sit down videos. So I need something different. So maybe I'll vlog how I take my pictures with my sister. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna come back after that and show y'all how the braid out dried. It's pretty much dry, it's just like a little bit damp. I want to see if it gets way bigger than this. Oh, now I got more braids. Is that the last? I think this is the last one. I am in love. I didn't even do the edges yet. So I am put some more mousse at the top of my hair. That's it in. I should have put some, let's see. gonna put some oil up here too. Do y'all see this hair though? Like, I am in love. My next video with this hair is gonna be hairstyles for it. Who got clip-ins in their hair? Not me. You know you feeling yourself when you put on lip gloss when you don't even need lip gloss. Let me see. Show y'all the back. I don't know how it looks, but hopefully it's cute. If y'all enjoyed today's video, please do me a favor and give this a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Any questions you have, comments, whatever. Actually, comment this emoji. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Yeah, comment this emoji. If you did enjoy today's video, do me a favor and click the link below and purchase you some clip-ins. Check out BetterLength. They have other stuff besides clip-ins. So yeah, check them out. I'm pretty sure you can find something that fits you. But yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.